What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video, and today we will be unboxing the Shell L7B Pro. So this is a gimbal, and it makes your videos stable, like dead straight. And then when you get a bump, it like keeps your phone straight. Because when you're recording and a bump comes, your phone goes up and down. But for this, it keeps it straight no matter what. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this and check it out. So I have my scissors over here, and I'm gonna open it up and check it out. Alright, now I have cut the tape and I'm gonna open it. Alright, first looks, there's a hard case in here, so I'm gonna take it out. So it's like this. The box, um, it has a bunch of stuff in it. It shows that it can go horizontal and vertical. There's a zoom like knob on it, and yeah, there's a light. It's pretty cool. Right, I'm gonna put the box down and let's check this thing out. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. Alright, so it comes with a fabric case as well for like quick. You can just throw your gimbal in here and just take it instead of like putting in the whole hard case. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Over here we have the actual gimbal stand over here. It opens up like this. That's pretty cool. We're gonna put it aside. And then the actual gimbal right here. So the gimbal is pretty heavy. It feels nice. It feels good quality. There's buttons over here, battery percentage, the Kosha logo. The light is right here. And there's buttons on the light for the light color and like light brightness. So that's pretty cool. I'll put that aside. The actual gimbal is really nice. Put that aside. And then we got this. It's the charger for the gimbal right here. Just put that. There's even an instruction manual right here, which is in Spanish, not actually English, but it's not that hard to figure this thing out, so you kind of don't need it. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this back, and that's basically it for that. And then the hard case is really nice. Alright, I'm gonna put it down, and let's actually check out the gimbal itself. So it just unfolds like this, and when you hold the power button, it turns on just like that, and then it tries staying in its position. So you can just put this in here, and then it stands up. And then you can just connect the light right here, and then you can see the light working. For like changing color, you just basically hit the button, and then for brightness, you hold it, and then it gets brighter, like that. So that's pretty cool. Over here is the charger, and then the zoom button is right here. For changing rotation, this is how you do it. You click the power button once to make it horizontal or vertical, just like this, and then yeah. So I'm gonna put a phone on here and just like check it out how stable it is, and yeah, let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna try this thing out. We're gonna put one phone without the gimbal and one with the gimbal, and then see which one's better. So yeah, that's gonna be really cool. Let's check that out, and I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so you gotta turn off the gimbal to actually put the phone on the gimbal. So I'm gonna put it on, and we're gonna see how it works. So it's really tight, which is good because your phone's not gonna fall out. Okay, now if I can. So you hold the power button, it turns on, and then it comes like that. So there's a different app for the gimbal itself. So you gotta download that. It's called something like Gimbal Pro or something. It's on your instruction manual. It's like QR code. You just scan it and then it comes. Okay, so right now it's in vertical mode, and then if I click the power button once, it becomes horizontal like that, and that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys some cool things in it, like face tracking and like that. Okay, I'm gonna set the face tracking. You actually have to do it from the app, so it's not actually any of the buttons, it's just the app. So over here, okay, so in the gimbal, there's actually a different app you have to download for the gimbal. It's called like Gimbal Pro or something. There's on your instruction manual, there's like a QR code, and you just scan it and then it comes. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys something cool. If I turn it on, it gets on, and then it goes straight to vertical. So I'm gonna put it this way, and I'm gonna put it face tracking, which is cool because you can just put the gimbal down and you can just like walk and it'll follow you, which is cool. All right, I'm gonna turn on the face tracking, which is right here, and then you click it. That face tracking lock on, and then it's looking for a face. But first, when you click the power button, it becomes horizontal or vertical. So here I'm gonna make it horizontal. Just click it once, and then that. Okay, so it's looking for a phone, face right now, and then it's gonna find me. It found me, and then the camera went up. So now if I move over here, it's gonna follow me. If I move over here, it's gonna follow me. Okay, that's a cool thing about it. And then when I try getting it back, it still follows me. Just check that out. And then it even changes weight just to like look at me. Okay, so that's basically it. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna show you guys how the camera actually, like the gimbal actually works without like you actually using anything in the software. So for it to actually work, you just use this joystick right here, which goes left and right and up and down. And then to straighten everything out, you just click the M button twice. Like if it's here, click the M button and then it goes straight. So the zooming is right here, just like that. It's the side little knob right here. So as you can see, look, you can zoom it all the way in and then zoom it all the way out. That's really cool. So that's basically it. It has cool buttons. It has a cool feature which has a bunch of stuff I'm still gonna figure out. There's things on the buttons. There's a whole spiral thing, and then there's like a vlog mode over here, which it shows you can do any of these, which is really cool. And yeah, oh, you can even change the light brightness and stuff. Check this out, brighter, and then it's dim, and then even change the color. There's yellow, there's like darker, there's white, and then white, yellowish. So guys, so that's basically it for the gimbal. Now I'm recording with the gimbal, and it's really nice so far. It's brand new, so it's like really good. It's working, everything's working. I can move it. That's my favorite part, honestly, moving it around. It just feels really cool. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Please subscribe, like, share. I'll see you guys in the next video.